A million have come to be citizens. All they care is just for them and them alone.
The authorities of the University of Lagos refused to accept the responsibility of the hike in school fees. They blame the federal government and the state of the nation for what happened. UNILAG students staged another protest over tuition fees. Students of the University of Lagos, UNILAG, on the platform of Student Solidarity Group against students' hike in collaboration with the National Association of Nigerian Students, NANS, hit the street on Tuesday morning to protest the increment in tuition fee by the management of the institution. The students reconvened a week after the first protest was disrupted by the security operatives, as colleagues from other universities also joined them in solidarity. The protesters chanted songs of solidarity and expressed their desire to continue to fight and press the school authorities to reduce the fees. They staged a peaceful protest on the street and were accompanied by security operatives of the Nigerian Police Force as well as men of the Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps, NSCDC. The security operatives barricaded the school gate as heavy security checks were conducted to prevent intruders from entering the school premises.
The senators, the lawmakers, they are all criminals. But they are criminals. They have exploited us. We are sick.
What caused that strike? Because federal government refused to carry out all the agreements, memorandum of understanding that were signed between our unions and the federal government. Great Nigerian workers. Because they failed to do anything about those agreements, that was what led to that strike. Immediately after that strike, the federal government delegates met with the leadership of our unions, and they also agreed that these 4 months with their salaries will be paid without delay. So far so good. Since last year, nothing has been done. In the month of March, our national leaders directed us to go on 7 days warning strike, which was carried out in the University of Lagos. We went on 7 days warning strike. After that 7 days warning strike, as of today, nothing has been done.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, we are using today as a protest in all universities in the country. This protest is to sensitize the community and the university itself that very soon we might go on indefinite strike. Yes, sir. Get Nigerian workers. Yes. By 18th of February, there's going to be a national protest in Abuja. Yes, sir. After that, 18th of July, that is next week, Thursday, a national protest is taking place in Abuja. Yes, sir. If between today and next week Thursday, nothing is being done by the government, and that protest takes place, we should be ready to go on indefinite strike. Great Nigerian workers. No retreat. No retreat. Great Nigerian workers.
Nigerian workers. Great Nigerian workers. My name is Comrade Layinka, the National Chairman, University of Lagos branch. Well, it's just a pity that we have government that refuse to listen to the yearning of our members. 4 months with their salary, we are agitating for it. When President Bola Ahmed Tinubu assumed duty as a president of Federal Republic of Nigeria, he gave waiver to all the members of all the workers in the university who went on strike in 2022. And at the end of the day, the government attend to Academic Staff Union of University. Is that fair enough? Is that fair enough? And we are saying no to divide and rule. We are saying no to divide and rule. We are saying no to divide and rule. As this has been directed by the National, this is just a one-day protest. Yes, the mother of protest will take place by next week. Please, our colleagues, I would like to use this opportunity to encourage our colleagues again. Be ready. Be ready for this struggle. No retreat, no surrender. No retreat, no surrender. No retreat, no surrender. I want to assure you that we are going to collect our withheld salary without any further delay. The Minister of Education agreed on the channels that there was a communication gap between March and now. And then we're supposed to correct the error? Yes. By now we should have our 4 months withheld salary in our various accounts. It's such a pity. The Minister of Labour State, Mrs. Honorable Njerika, what's her name? She is not capable to manage that ministry. We are saying it with authoritatively. She is not capable to manage that Ministry of Labour and Productivities. We are saying it to the end. Please communicate our views to her. Communicate our views to the President, to the President. We want our withheld salary, and it must be paid without any further delay. That is our demand. That is our demand. You can imagine, 2009 agreement is still there. The agreement is already due for the negotiation, and nothing has been done. Nothing has been done to date. We say no to divide and rule again.
Workers in the university system, and that is the way it is, and that is the way it shall be forever. Greatest Nasu, greatest Sanu. Our issues go beyond just 4 months arrears of salaries. It affects the fundamental fabric of our dignity and our respect as workers in the university system. We went on strike in 2022 over the issues of renegotiation of our 2009 agreement, over the issues of earned allowances that remained unpaid since 2009, over the issues of IPPIS. Till today, none of those issues have been addressed. We went on strike, and at the end of the day, having followed all due processes, and I must say it, just as it was established today in the courts, SANU and NASU are unions that follow law. They follow the rule of law. We undertook our strike in 2022, following all due processes as laid down in our labor laws. As such, as far as we are concerned, our action should not be criminalized. We did not call off or suspend our strike in 2022 by coercion. There was a collective bargaining agreement in August 2022. And that collective bargaining agreement included a non-victimization clause that said that no member of SANU and NASU will be victimized on account of that clause. Comrades, tell me, by denying you 4 months' salaries, have you not been victimized? That is a breach of that agreement. I want to thank you, my comrades, because what I've seen here is a show of courage and is a show of defiance. This is the first step. Branches have been directed, and I'm happy University of Lagos has fully complied. Next week, we shall all converge, as many of you that can be sponsored by the branches. We shall all converge at Abuja, and we shall undertake a massive protest rally. After that rally, if our issues have not been addressed, we shall embark on a strike. That strike shall demand your courage, because they will test you, they will intimidate you, they may deny you your salaries again. But one reality is that we are not less Nigerians than those people in the National Assembly. We are not less Nigerian than those people in the Senate. We are not less Nigerian than those people who hold political appointments. We should not be denied of our rights. We are citizens of Nigeria. And as far as we are concerned, we have not jabbed. We remain in this country. And as our youth say, we die here. Thank you very much.
Struggle for our men. There is victory. Victory. There is victory for us. Victory. There is victory for us. In the struggle for our men. Ṣé èèyàn gbọ́ kí ṣara wa ni? Kátàn lè kẹ́ra. Kátàn tàbí tajú lè kẹ́ra. Forward, get down! Ever. There is another challenge, double challenge. Double challenge, another challenge,